What if the ocean wasn't just rising, but ready to rescue us? For centuries, humanity has looked at the sea as a source of life. Food, energy, mystery. But now, scientists believe it could also become Earth's natural air conditioner. Imagine using the power of waves, currents, and marine chemistry to literally cool down our overheating planet. It starts deep below the surface. There, cold, nutrient-rich water lies untouched. Some scientists are designing underwater pumps to bring that cold water upward, cooling surface temperatures and boosting plankton growth. Those tiny plankton, they absorb carbon dioxide, breathe out oxygen, and form the foundation of the ocean's food web. In theory, just increasing plankton blooms could capture billions of tons of CO2 every year. But others are thinking even bigger. Picture fleets of ships spraying seawater into the sky, creating brighter clouds that reflect sunlight back into space. It's called marine cloud-brightening, and it's one of the boldest geoengineering experiments ever conceived. The goal: reduce sunlight reaching the ocean's surface, slowing global warming naturally. Meanwhile, engineers are building artificial reefs that don't just protect coastlines, they capture carbon. Made from special limestone-like minerals, these reefs react with carbon dioxide and turn it into solid rock. Every wave that crashes over them locks a little more carbon away, forever. And then there are the ocean robots, autonomous carbon hunters drifting through the deep. These machines collect CO2 from seawater, compress it, and inject it into sediments thousands of meters below. If it works, the ocean could become the planet's largest carbon vault, invisible, silent, and vast. But not everyone is convinced. Marine biologists warn that altering ocean chemistry could trigger new problems. Too much plankton can cause toxic algae blooms, suffocating fish and coral. Cooling one part of the ocean might change rainfall patterns somewhere else, maybe even triggering droughts or storms we can't predict. The ocean doesn't forgive mistakes easily. Once something goes wrong underwater, it's almost impossible to reverse. So the debate grows. Is ocean geoengineering the ultimate act of human genius or pure arrogance? Still, hope drives the research forward. From Japan to Norway, test sites are quietly collecting data. Satellite images reveal faint trails of brightened clouds, human fingerprints on the sky. Submarines record shifting temperatures, while supercomputers model futures that depend on how far we're willing to go. Imagine a future where vast stretches of ocean act as the planet's thermostat. Cooling currents guided by human design, coral reefs engineered to clean the air, and plankton blooms glowing in the dark like living filters of the sea. It's thrilling, terrifying, and perhaps inevitable. Because as global heat records break year after year, humanity is running out of time. The question isn't whether we can use the ocean to cool the Earth, but whether we should. Maybe the real solution lies not in controlling nature, but collaborating with it, learning from the ocean's own rhythms before it decides our fate for us. Because the sea is patient, but it never forgets.